We got this new channel coming out, Driving with 60BaeGrey. No cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey. No cap. What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, 60BaeGrey crew, 60BaeGrey squad? I'm back with another video. Thanks for joining me. This video is about a vehicle car update. So hope you guys like my shirt, the 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. So I'm going to introduce to you guys a friend of mine. I call her Smee. Okay, the subject matter expert. So from time to time, we're going to have her on, and let's give her a call right now and see what she is doing. Okay, so I'm going to give you a vehicle update, and she's going to help us do that. Hey, girl, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Better that I'm talking to you, but you know the vibes, girl. Hey, look, Smee, I just wanted to give you a call and introduce you to the people. Say hi, 60BaeGrey squad.
Hey, 60BaeGrey squad.
Okay. So, Smee, definitely wanted to reach out to you and find out what you wanted to talk about. I want to see if we're going to be on the same track. Okay, what you want to know?
Yeah.
What you want to know?
Well, 60BaeGrey, the first thing I'd like to know is how's life with the new Corvette?
Okay.
Here's the ride.
Oh man, the life of the vet is awesome. So I'm going to tell the people. I'm going to give the people an update. You want to know about an update on the vehicle? I can give you an update. You want to know that, Smee?
Absolutely.
Okay. Well, look, let me give the 60BaeGrey squad an update, and I'm going to upload this video in about a couple of hours, so you can tune in live when I upload it, and we all can find out together, okay?
Sounds great.
All right, 60BaeGrey squad, y'all say hi to Smee and say thank you, Smee. Listen to the people. I hear it. Yeah, they said thank you, Smee. All right, thank you, Smee. I'll talk to you soon.
I'll talk to you soon, 60BaeGrey.
All right. You know the vibes. Okay, talk to you later. All right. So that's Smee, the subject matter expert. So actually, she wanted to talk to you about the same thing I wanted to talk to you about, and wanted to give you in real time, as per my upload days, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, what's going on with the vehicle. So, and these are more like vlogs versus like videos. You might see different extreme videos or prank videos or different a wider range of videos. And I know my videos have had content of me purchasing the vehicle and building up. So now we're going to be doing deep dives into the type of car that I have. Okay, so now the update on the vehicle. Let me just explain to you that the vehicle, in one of my videos, the last video that I uploaded on a Saturday, excuse me, I called it a it's a 2LT HTC Silver Flare Z51 Corvette. All right, now it sounds like, all these names and all these phrases and numbers and jargons or whatever, but I'm going to break it down for you. So I'm not going to break it down too much, all right, because this is going to be a short video. Okay, so the 2LT is a package, and a lot of cars, you can get they might not name it like a 2LT, but they have different names for the different packages you can get, whether it be a Camry might be XLE, or a Camry might be XL, or you just get a basic Camry. All right, so with the Corvette, they have a 1LT, 2LT, and 3LT, and in each one of those, the 1, 2, and the 3 LTs, you get different packages with it. So I went with the 2 LT, and I'll talk about it in another video why. Okay, so the 2 LT actually determines what type of options I get in the car. All right, and they're fire, they're lit. Okay. Also, the HTC means hard top convertible. Okay, hard top convertible. I was looking at my shirt here. Okay, 60BaeGrey, the real Jeff. Okay. All right, let me stay focused. All right, HTC is hard top convertible. All right. So my vehicle is a convertible. All right. Again, I'll talk about the reason why I wanted a convertible in another video. And as a matter of fact, if there's any other things that you would like to hear, like to hear me talk about or see on my channel, hey, let me know. Put it in the comments down below. What type of video would you like for me to talk about? And this is more or less story time now. Okay. So then now we covered the 2LT, we covered the HTC, and then we covered the color. The silver flare. They changed the colors. And again, I'll tell you in another video the reason why I chose the silver flare. But the silver flare is the color of the vehicle. And I did forget to say it had red interior, so you did see that in the video. Self-explanatory what the color is. Now the Z51 package. The Z51 package, it's a racing package with a bunch of upgrades for racing. And you know, some of it has to do with the tires and the braking and the exhaust, performance exhaust, and some other options that come along with it. Again, I'll let you know in another video about all of that. Okay, but I just wanted to break down the type of vehicle that I did get, if there was some confusion about it. And for the people that maybe just joined it for the first time, not understanding what all that means, and for the people that do know, hey, I'm making this for content, and for you guys to know what my experience has been. I'm checking the time here. All right, so we're 7 minutes in. I'm gonna go for another 2 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. So vehicle update. What's going on? Well, I purchased the car on July 15th, and I brought it home. I have a 2-car garage, and when I put the car in the garage, the next morning I came out because I still can't believe that I have the vehicle, and I looked at the car in the garage just to make sure I wasn't dreaming. And then it was 8 o'clock in the morning. I opened up the garage door, and I stood in front of it from outside, and the vehicle was inside, so it was kind of like a shade over the car, and I could see speckles on the frunk. Now the frunk, there's a trunk in the front, so they call it a frunk. So the frunk hood, or the hood of the frunk, right only on that area had some speckles. And then Sunday, all that happened on Saturday. So then today's Monday. So yesterday, Sunday, I was playing around in the car, and I couldn't close the hardtop convertible completely, so I had to take it up to the dealer this morning at 6:30 this morning. Took it up there, and they have to order a new seal to go around the top. So right now you don't see the vehicle around. I'm in my basement and filming, and so I'll get the car back. Also too, they're gonna put some compound on the spots. They will come out, but they're going to put a power whatever, you know, the power tool on it to shine out or buff out, a power buffer to buff out to buff out the spots. And there was a lot of them. All right, it just looked like somebody just did like this, but they were like real fine speckles. Okay, so that's the vehicle update. And wanted to keep you short and sweet. Wanted to add some new elements in. I hope you guys like the Smee. She's gonna come on from time to time and help us. I hope y'all like the real drip, no cap. Okay, got my Superman watch, and I got my 60BaeGrey t-shirt. Shout out to Markia Roberts. That's my daughter-in-law / daughter, and she made these for me on you know, the same day I picked up the vehicle. So that's awesome for her to do this. So you know what? Hey, this video's over. 60BaeGrey, the real Jeff, no cap, we out, no cap. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got that real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz. You know 60BaeGrey got that real drip, no cap, no cap, no cap. Step back, step back, step, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap, no cap. All you guys, all cap, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got that real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got that real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fuzz. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60. Told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drip for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Cause 60BaeGrey got the real drip and the sexy lane. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got that real